Hello everyone out there, welcome to another very useful video about Google Classroom tutorials. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can attempt an online examination, whether it is a midterm examination or a final term examination or any other examination that has been assigned to you by your instructor, by your teacher, by using the Google Classroom platform. So let us see how you can attempt or give an examination by using the Google Classroom. First, you have to open the Google Classroom, and then from here you can see that I have a midterm examination due here. The time is also mentioned that I have to attempt this paper before 4 p.m. today. So you can actually attempt this paper. You have different options available to open this paper. The first option is that you can directly select the paper from here just by clicking on the link, and then you will see that the paper will open up. So that is the first method. The second method is that just go to the classroom in which the examination is due. Go to the specific classroom, and from here you can see actually in the upcoming events that you have a midterm paper which is due for today 4 p.m. So you can open up the paper from here as well. That is the second method. After that, we also have a third method which is like a bit lengthy, but is also the same thing. Go to the classroom again, click on the classwork, and you have to navigate through this course website. Here you have different information like online recorded classes, practicals, lectures, course contents, weekly plan, etc. From here you have to click on the midterm option, and you see the respective faculty member has already posted the paper in the appropriate. So this is the best way to organize the contents. From here actually you can see the same things. Okay, what you can see here is that the instructions are available for attempting the paper, like attempt all questions carry equal marks, the maximum marks are 30, and the maximum allowed time is 4 hours. To start attempting the question or to attempt the paper, you have to click here, the midterm demo paper, click on it. You see again the same instructions, and then from here you have to start the paper. First you have to write your email address from which you want to submit the paper, and then you can see we have a question number 1. What are the key features of Python programming language? So this is a descriptive question. You have to describe it in your own words. Just start typing here. You do not need to open any other file or use Microsoft Word, for example, to attempt the questions. You can directly start writing from here. However, one recommendation is that do not directly write your answers here. Why? Because sometime you are writing and your internet connection will be disrupted. So maybe there are chances that you will lose all the data that you have entered in this text box. So my recommendation is to just open this paper, read the questions, and then write your answer in a separate Microsoft Word file or any text editor. Just like this, I have write all the answers in advanced. And then once you write all the answers, just copy paste the appropriate answers and then paste it here. Okay, but be careful that you have copied the same answer which represent the same question. For example, answer number 1 should be pasted here. If you paste the answer in inaccurate box, for example here, then there is going to be a problem. Once you attempt question number 1, go to question number 2, do the same thing, copy and paste. Question number 3, the same thing. Question number 4, same process. Question number 5 is a bit different. Let us read. write a for loop program that display the numbers and also upload the output of the program. Now here you have to upload a file and the option is available here. In my case, I'm teaching programming fundamentals, so I want the students to write a program, take a printout, take a snapshot or a screenshot of the output of the program and then upload the file. That is very simple. I have already taken the screenshot, which is here. Now I need to upload this. The extension is .jpg. The option is available. Click on the add file button. From here you can actually select the file which you want to upload. Once the window open, you can select a file from your computer. In my case, the file is saved on the desktop. The name is output.jpg and then upload it. It will take some time and then we are done. Once you have finished attempting the paper, it's important to click on the submit button in order to submit your paper online. If you want to receive a copy of the same to your email address, just select this option, send me a copy of my responses. It's recommended to select this option to keep a copy of your attempted paper. Then submit button, click on it, and then your responses will be submitted to the teacher with a message, confirmation message that responses submitted and assignment marks is done. So this is how you can submit paper, a midterm paper or a final term paper or any other paper examination assigned to you by your teacher. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you. Goodbye.